Hello, I have an indesit DIF04 with lights 2 and 4 flashing. I think this means it needs a new element which is combined with the pump. It's an ingegrated unit and I can see the access panel from the front when the plinth is removed. Is the element something that can be replaced from the front, or does the machine need pulling out?
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
Filters are clear. How would I check the stat?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really, just is this a DIY job or not?
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. The error code you have is indeed a heating error code. Now I'm afraid the dishwasher will need to be pulled out to access the heater, as you cannot get at it from the front. To access the heater, you need to remove it from the unit and make sure all the water is drained out. Then lie it on its left-hand side. Then look on the bottom base and you can remove a cover under there. Once this is off, you can then see the motor with the heater on the front. The heater just twists onto the motor, so you can twist the heater off and remove it from the wash motor. But to check the heater, you will need a multimeter to confirm if the heater is faulty, as the heater should read about 30 ohms roughly. If the heater and wiring are fine, then it will be the control board that's faulty. But most of the time it's just the heater that fails on these dishwashers. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.